Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to explore CapCut PC, and there is some exciting news for content creators. CapCut PC now comes with the latest Seedance 2.0 mini model, allowing you to create stunning AI videos, while GPT Image 2 helps you generate high-quality AI images for marketing, e-commerce, social media, and much more. The link is available in the description below. Once you click the link and create your account, you'll see a dashboard like this. Here, you'll find several powerful AI tools, including AI video, AI image, video translator, and many other creative features. Let's start with the AI image feature. Just click on AI image, and a new workspace will open. Here, you can upload a reference image if you want the AI to follow a specific style or product design, but this step is completely optional. Next, enter your prompt in the text box. CapCut offers multiple image generation models, but for this demonstration, I will select GPT Image 2 because it delivers highly realistic and professional quality results. Then, I will choose the resolution, aspect ratio, and image quality settings before clicking the Generate button. Within a few moments, the AI creates a stunning product image based on my prompt. As you can see, the result looks highly professional and is perfect for online stores, advertisements, and marketing campaigns. You can download the image in full 4K quality. Now, let's try another example. This time, I want to create a luxury product advertisement featuring a black marble surface, dramatic lighting, golden highlights, and a premium commercial look. In just a few seconds, CapCut produces another impressive advertising image with a luxury brand aesthetic. Let's create one more example. This time, I'll generate a modern commercial product advertisement with a clean studio setup and professional lighting. Again, I simply enter the prompt, click Generate, and CapCut creates a new marketing-ready image automatically. For the final example, I want to design a summer marketing campaign with a bright, sunny atmosphere, vibrant colors, and energetic branding. After entering the prompt and generating the image, the AI delivers a fresh and eye-catching promotional design that would work perfectly for seasonal campaigns. But that's not all. The most exciting part is that you can take these AI-generated images and transform them into cinematic videos using Seedance 2.0 Mini. Here, you can upload your images as references and transform them into professional AI-generated videos. For the first example, I will upload one of the product images that I generated earlier. After uploading the image, I'll enter a detailed prompt describing the motion, camera angles, and overall style that I want in the video. This time, I will use Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. After that, I'll choose the resolution, aspect ratio, and video duration. CapCut allows you to create videos up to 15 seconds long. Once everything is ready, I'll click the Generate button and let the AI do the work. Within a short time, the video is generated.
Unlock the secret to youthful skin with the power of nature and science. Indulge in a rich, velvety cream that deeply nourishes as you sleep. Wake up to a smoother, firmer, and more radiant complexion.
Let's try another example. This time, I'll upload an image showing a girl using the product. After uploading the image, I'll enter a detailed prompt explaining the scene and motion I want to create. Once again, I'll select Dreamina Seedance 2.0 Mini. A few moments later, the AI converts the image into a stunning video advertisement. The movements look natural, the visual quality is impressive, and the final result feels like a professionally produced commercial. What's great is that you don't need any advanced editing skills. Just upload an image, describe your idea, and let the AI generate the video for you. CapCut PC gives you a complete AI-powered workflow for creating high-quality marketing content, product advertisements, social media videos, and promotional campaigns in just a few minutes. The link to try CapCut PC is available in the description below, so make sure to check it out and explore these powerful AI tools for yourself. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.